Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that means to inspire action or stimulate something into motion, galvanize. It might seem tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is galvanize. Let's break it down. First, we have G-A-L, which sounds like gal in galaxy. Next is vuk, which sounds like the A in sofa. Finally, nize, which sounds like nize in realize. Now, let's put it all together. Galvanize. Try repeating after me, galvanize. Now, a little faster, galvanize. And at full speed, galvanize. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Galvanize means to shock or excite someone into taking action, or to stimulate a process or reaction, often used in contexts like motivating a group or starting a chemical reaction. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce galvanize and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.